Housecall Pro combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication in one system. And for HVAC companies, that can remove a lot of daily admin. The bigger question is whether it can keep up once your operation gets more complex. By the end of this, you'll know where Housecall Pro works best for HVAC and where it starts hitting limits. Here's the direct answer. For small to mid-sized HVAC companies focused on service calls and maintenance plans, Housecall Pro is a strong option. For larger HVAC businesses running bigger install teams, deep inventory, and advanced sales processes, it may feel too light. Start with scheduling. HVAC work moves fast. Emergency no-cool calls, seasonal tune-ups, maintenance contracts, and install jobs all compete for time. Housecall Pro keeps scheduling simple. You can book jobs, dispatch technicians, and send appointment reminders from one dashboard. That reduces missed appointments. The customer communication side is strong too. Customers get confirmations, technician tracking, and follow-up messages. That improves the service experience. For HVAC, trust matters. The mobile app works well in the field. A technician can pull up system history, add notes, upload photos, create invoices, and collect payment before leaving. That shortens the payment cycle. Maintenance plans are another strong feature. If your business sells recurring AC tune-ups or furnace service plans, Housecall Pro helps manage those repeat visits. That creates steadier revenue. Now the weak spots. Inventory management is basic. HVAC companies often track capacitors, contactors, thermostats, coils, filters, and larger equipment across multiple trucks. Housecall Pro can manage simple parts, but it's not built for deep stock control. That matters as your team grows. Sales tracking is another limitation. If you're doing large system replacements and want detailed close rates, financing workflows, and technician sales metrics, Housecall Pro is lighter than platforms like ServiceAdintent. Reporting can feel simpler too. You get visibility, but not deep operational analytics. So, is it worth it? If you run a 1 to 15 technician HVAC business doing residential service, maintenance, and standard installs, Housecall Pro fits well. It keeps the day-to-day workflow clean. If your business is scaling fast, carrying heavy inventory, or relying on advanced sales systems, you may outgrow it. The 3 things to remember are simple. Housecall Pro is strong for service workflows, excellent for customer communication, and weaker for operational depth. The next step is to map how your team books, dispatches, and tracks installs right now. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.